Be a brief overview of text in Google Slides. So how do we put the words on the page? It's pretty simple. When we went up here, we added a slide, we chose which slide we wanted, and this gave us our layout. You can get to the same menu by going to layout over here. It's the exact same thing. I chose this one because it's got the text boxes that I want. I can click here, I can type in a title, and I can go down here and I can type in some sort of quote or something that I want to go down below. Perfect, I'm all done. Unless I want to make it fancy, and then in which case I need to highlight whatever text that I'd like to change. I simply go up to the top. If I want to change the font, I change the font. I like Corsiva, so I'm going to change it to that. I want it bigger, so I'm going to change it to 95. I want it to change the actual text itself and the color, so I go to More. If you see More, you may have a whole bunch of things under here. So bold makes it big, thicker. Italics makes it lean over a little bit. Underline, of course, will underline it. And this one is how you change the color. If you see an A with an underline under it, that's what it means. Hyperlink lets you link to some other website or something. Comment is a nice Google feature that we've got that we can comment on each other's work. This is our alignment, and you might see something a little different here. We're used to these alignments which take it from the left to the center to the right to justified. You might not be used to being able to move things in a text box from the top, which would be the first button, to the middle, or to the bottom of the text box. So that's something new if you're not used to text boxes. This next one allows us to double space. So if we're typing a big long section of text, we can double space. Numbered lists, bulleted lists, same features as in Google Docs. If I'm trying to outdent or indent, I can use these. And that's pretty much it. That's the basic features. The last thing I think you should know about is how to put in a text box of your own. So if you can't find the exact layout you want, you can add one. Simply go to this little box that says text box, has a T in it with little dots, drag out the text box you want, and then type whatever you'd like in it.